couple months ago, I decided that I wanted to try out becoming a YouTuber. I got a bunch of different talents, and I figured, you know, why not put it on video? I finally started taking it serious, probably June of this year. I finally started taking it serious, started actually, you know, learning how to edit, you know, how to put clips and stuff together, etc. You know, basically being self-taught. I'm gonna be the first to say this YouTube thing is not easy at all, especially when you spend, you know, 6-7 hours, sometimes days, editing videos, putting videos together. Make your content look A1. I mean, I'm gonna be the first to say, you know, my content is not perfect, but I feel like I'm progressing every time I upload a video. But it gets to the point where sometimes, you know, you feel like, you know, I'm putting in all these hours, all this work, and rarely seeing any results from the work that you're doing. And then you see people that just throw up anything, and their views and their subscribers just blow up out the window. So it makes you think like, yo, is this even worth it? Is this worth my time? Is this worth me staying up late? Worth me grinding, etc. Because it's a slow grind. It's not something that just happens overnight. You gotta put in the work, put in the time, and you know, some people just get lucky and they upload something and it goes viral and it just takes off. And then other people, like me, you know, upload videos, make sure the quality is pretty decent, you know, make sure this, you know, everything goes as planned, and you know, you get like 50 views, 40 views, and you're like, yo, what am I doing different, or what is this next man doing different than what I'm doing? And it makes you wonder, like, should I keep pursuit of it? Because, you know, right now it's just a hobby. I'm not in this for any type of fame or recognition. I'm just, you know, like I said, mainly to document myself throughout the years, and also be able to show my kids, you know, when they get older, you know, different things that I was doing. And also, you know, for my kids to be able to show like their kids, like, this is what your you know, your great-grandfather or whatever. Basically a way of just keeping a backlog of just things that I've done throughout the years. I could tell you that it is a grind. It's not something that's gonna happen overnight. I did a couple times say, you know what, I'm gonna just give up and just not even worry about it, just upload videos when I want to. Like, I gotta take my own advice. It's not, you know, it doesn't, you know, you don't see the rewards or see the results overnight. You just got to keep putting in the work, and you can't fathom over what the next man's doing. Just keep perfecting your craft is basically what I'm getting at. So the times that I said, you know what, forget it, I'm gonna just upload videos however, whenever, I finally, you know what I'm saying, got past that point and said, you know what, I'm gonna do what's best for me. I'm not, you know, out here for no fame and no recognition, or I'm not in here to compete with anybody. For anyone that's basically thinking about, you know, giving up their YouTube career, or anyone that's wanting to turn this into a career or potentially see rewards from it, all I'm gonna say is, man, don't give up. Don't give up. That'd be the worst thing you do. Keep grinding, keep pushing. It's like I said, it's a slow grind. It doesn't happen overnight. Just keep pushing. And you know what I'm saying, eventually you'll see your hard work pay off, is what I'm getting at. So just spend the time that, you know, instead of, you know, dwelling on why my channel is not moving as fast as this person, or what am I doing wrong, just perfect your craft. Just eventually, like I said, it'll take off. You end up with results that you just probably wouldn't expect. YouTube is a business for some people. Some people use it as their sole income, and I'd be the, you know, if I got to that point, I'd be more than blessed. But yeah, just keep grinding it out. You know, eventually you'll see your rewards come to fruition, and then you'll be able to, you know, look back like, yo, I remember all these times that I was gonna give up and say forget it, and then look at me now. So I'm just saying, keep pushing, keep grinding, learn your craft. Find your lane. You don't try to follow in nobody else's lane. Create your own path. That's why my videos, you look at my videos, and you can pretty much come to my channel for all types of different types of content. My videos not just specifically on one topic, because I feel like instead of just catering to just one crowd, if I can cater to multiple crowds, you know, everybody can get a little bit of something from my channel. So that's just basically, that's it, you know what I'm saying? Just find your own lane, find your own genre, and just run with it. But yeah, matter of fact, also like the video, subscribe, comment, share the video with anyone you know that might be wanting to be a YouTuber, become a YouTuber. You know, I'm only at 150 subscribers, so I'm nowhere near a pro at all, but just in a couple months I've learned so much. So any type of advice is better than no advice. So that's why, you know, I put this video up. All right, that's why I put this video up. So maybe it can help someone, maybe it can help the next person. So all right, y'all, peace.